As a geographer, I've been all around the world, but I have never seen a place quite like Duke Farms, Hillsborough, New Jersey. Let me tell you why. As you can see from my photographs, it is a gem, a treasure, a sanctuary for water, wildlife, trees. They've got an amazing set of 100-year-old oak trees, sycamores, weeping beech, and so much more. But even better than that, it's a research institute. It's a living lab. They develop model strategies for nature restoration, wildlife conservation, clean energy transition. 2,700 acres, Hillsborough, New Jersey. It's a gathering place for global decision makers, local neighborhood folks, to spark change, to build a better, more resilient, more equitable, more sustainable future. They're not just saying this stuff, they're actually doing it. So for your own nature center, or for your own enjoyment of nature, or for your own school group, or for your own research project, get out there to Duke Farms. You can volunteer there, you can take a field trip there, you can work there. I had the honor and privilege of working with their science staff for several days working with geotechnologies. And I was very impressed by their vision, their dedication. It was just, I can't say enough good things about Duke Farms, Hillsborough, New Jersey. Go see for yourself. Someday, get out there to Duke Farms. And think about how you might work with your own Nature Conservation Center, Research Institute, Living Lab in your own community, wherever you happen to be in the world, using Duke Farms strategies as one of the models and adapting it for how you can make this work in your own region and community. Thanks for being with me. Duke Farms, Hillsborough, New Jersey, USA.